Deshpande sir, teachers, and my dear lovely students. Very good morning to all of you. Do you know what day is celebrated today? Hey, no. That's not Indian culture. We are not foreigners. We are Indians. We celebrate only Indian culture. Today is celebrated as, not celebrated, today is held and considered as Black Day. Why it is considered as Black Day? Anyone of you know? Because on this day, exactly 7 years back on this day, a heartbreaking or else a heart-wrenching incident happened in India. That is Pulwama attack by the terrorist organization. On February 14th, 2019, Indian convoy carrying the soldiers in the 7 to 8 vehicles was attacked by the terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed, which took the lives of more than 40 soldiers. More than 40 soldiers were martyred and more than 45 to 50 soldiers were injured. So, as a counterattack for this, Indian government and Indian army, under the initiative of Indian Air Force, took the revenge and attacked that particular exact organization, Jaish-e-Mohammed, and vanished that terrorist organization completely out of the earth. So, enraged by this, Indian government has planned this counterattack. So, we are living here peacefully, we are eating our food peacefully, we are living happily with our family. That's only because of the sacrifices made by Indian soldiers. Here inside our country, people are fighting over small issues. It may be for religious issues, caste issues. I'm not living happily, I'm not getting this, I'm not rich, I'm not living comfortably. No, those are just the tiny problems compared to the situation that's faced at the border of our country by Indian soldiers. So to honor the lives of those martyred soldiers and to rest their lives in peace, let's maintain peace for 1 minute. I request all the student teachers to honor their lives by maintaining silence for 1 minute. Let the silence begin.